What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to share YouTube channel link on Facebook story. So let's head over to video. So once you have selected a YouTube video, click on share and copy the YouTube video link. Once you have copied the link, head over to your Facebook account. Here click on create story. Then click on the camera option. Click a picture. Once you have clicked a picture, then here you can see text section. Here paste your link, YouTube link. Then click on done. And then click on share and your YouTube channel link will be shared on Facebook story. That's how easy it is. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.